Now suppose question is given. In 30-liter mixture, the ratio of milk and water is 7:3. How much water should be added to this mixture so as to obtain a mixture where the ratio of milk and water will be 7:4? So, given that in a 30-liter mixture, so a mixture is there which is 30 liter. The ratio of milk and water is 7:3. Milk is to water is 7:3. That is 7 part of milk and 3 part of water. How much water should be added to this mixture so as to obtain a mixture where the ratio of milk and water is 7:4? Now given that new mixture will be in the ratio how much? 7:4. Now how much water is to be added? How much water is to be added so that the new mixture become 7:4? That is what our question is asking me. So now what we will see is here 7:3 is our original mixture. Here what we will do, 7 plus 3 is our total part is 10p. That means 10p is equal to 30 liter. Am I right? Because our total volume given is 30 liter of the mixture. That means total 7:3, that is 10p is equal to 30 liter. Therefore, one part, p means here p stands for part. Therefore, one part is equal to 3 liter. Now when it is given to us, the new mixture is 7:4. Milk is same. Why same? Because there is no change in milk. But we are adding some amount of water to find out how much water we are adding. Now what is the change in the ratio of water? Change is 3:4. That is 1 part change. Now we know 1 part is equal to how much? 1 part is equal to 3 liter. Therefore, how much water is added? 3 liter water is added. It's very easy. See again. Question is given. In a mixture, there is 30 liter total mixture of milk is to water. And milk is in the ratio 7:3. That is 7 part of milk and 3 part of water. Now, the final mixture will be 7:4 when some amount of water is added. Now, it is asked to find that what is the amount of water that is added. So for this question, what we will do is, first we will find out the total parts. Total part is 10p. And now we know total volume is 30 liter. That means 10p is equal to 30 liter. That means 1 part is equal to 3 liter. So when we know 1 part is equal to 3 liter, now here how many parts are changing? For water, first ratio was 3, final ratio is 4. So change in part is 1 part. 4 minus 3, that is 1 part. Now we know 1 part is equal to 3 liter. Therefore, addition of water is 3 liter. Okay? So this was problem number 1. Here in this, now you have read the question. What it is given in a rare coin collection, it is a question from UPSC 2013. In a rare coin collection, there is 1 gold coin for every 3 non-gold coin. 10 more gold coins are added to the collections and the ratio of gold coins to non-gold coins would be 1:2. Based on the information, the total number of coins in the collection now would become. In our first question, we were given the total volume, that is 30 liter. Now here, we are not given the total gold coins. It is given that the ratio of gold coins to non-gold coins. There is 1 gold coin for every 3 non-gold coins. It is gold coin is to non-gold coin is 1:3. This is our original ratio. Now we don't know what is the quantity of gold coins and non-gold coins available, or what is the quantities of total coins available. Now it is given that 10 more gold coins are added to the collection. Now this is gold ratio, this is non-gold ratio. Here 10 more gold coins are added. to the ratio, then the final ratio becomes 1:2. Now we know that only gold coins are changed. That is, we are adding gold coins only. But the non-gold coins should not change. That is, their ratio should be same. But here we have 3 and here we have 2. What we will do is we will try to make this same. How will we make this same? What will be their LCM? 3 into 2, 6. So to make it 6, we will multiply with 2. We will multiply the border ratio, 2:6. And for here to make it 6, we will multiply with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3:2, 6. So now your new ratio are 2:6 and 3:6. Now what it is given that how much part increase for the gold coins? Here it was 2 and here it is 3. So 1 part increase for gold coin. So 1 part increase means how much added? 10 gold coins. 10 gold coins are added when 1 part increased. Fine. But in the final mixture, how many parts are added? 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 part. Now we know 1 part is equal to 10 gold coin because from 2:6 it becomes 3:6. So how much part? 1 part. 1 part is equal to 10 gold coins. Now total part is 9 part. So 9 part will be 9 into 10, 90 gold coins. Are you able to understand it? See, I am telling it again. We have gold coins to non-gold coin in the ratio 1:3 and the final mixture is 1:2. It is said that in this mixture we are adding 10 gold coins. When we are adding 10 gold coins, it becomes the ratio 1:2. Now we have to find out what is the total gold coins in the final mixture. Now, since this non-gold coins number is not changed, we will try to make these two number equal. So their LCM is 6. To get 6, we are multiplying with 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 1s are 2. And here to get 6, we are multiplying with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now we are getting the ratio 2:6 and 3:6. Now here non-gold coins ratios are same because we are not adding any non-gold coins here. But here we are adding 1 gold coin. Sorry, here we are adding 10 gold coins. But change in part is how much? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 part. Now 1 part is how many gold coins? 10. Therefore your total part is how much? 9 part. 9 part means 10 into 9, 90 gold coins. That means in our final mixture we have 90 gold coins.